is unreal. The birds are like in a state of like total bliss. All the birds are in total bliss right now. I keep trying to get back to the earth ship, but I can't because every time I step out of my trailer, we got the big giant mothership dark cloud there. It's the big mothership cloud, the dark one. See? You can see it, the shape. It's been there all day. So just hovering there.
Come tell me what the boys are doing on the street in the epitome of fame. Don't tell me how the universe is all turned when you find out how he gets paid. Alright, there's nothing more that you need now. Lord, cut my bare breasted women. Please towels with every all the women that are making that are making by swimming.
Wonder if the man used to come out here.